Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Just unboxed this bed that I'm about to assemble. So I basically want to show you guys all of the different pieces that it comes with so that you know exactly what you're getting into if you do plan on assembling it yourself. So this right here is the footboard, right? So I have the footboard here. Also here is the headboard, and behind it is where the LED strip is. So this is the back of the headboard. This is the front, and this is where the lights are going to come through. This right here is a decorative leather strip here. This is basically a support that goes underneath the headboard, more so for decoration purposes. Right here are the two leather side rails, and these four parts right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, sort of make up the wing of the bed. These right here are the two metal supports that go down the center, which is really great because you are using metal to structure your bed, and so that's going to be very beneficial for long-term use. These right here are the wooden side. That's where you can see the holes. That's where the wooden slats and the plastic tips are going to go in. These are the wooden slats that go across the bed. This right here is a wooden support that also goes across the bed, and those four pieces right here attached to the side rails to get everything together. Over here we have some more metal pieces. So these are basically all metal pieces that help connect the bed together. This is the adapter, right, which is going to connect to these parts right here to make the bed light up. These are two metal frames that connect the headboard together. And then here are all the hardware pieces, and unfortunately they all come in one large bag, so I'm gonna have to take some time to organize these out before I get the assembly started. So it does look like I have my work cut out for me, but I'm gonna show you guys a finished product in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this leather platform bed that I just assembled. Obviously, you can see it has LED lights, and my initial reaction after assembling it is that this bed is awesome. All right, so if we look at the headboard, I think one of the cool features of this headboard obviously is the LED that is coming from the headboard. Underneath it, there's a strip, LED strip. Now it's tucked behind this leather piece, but that's where the light is coming from. Now another cool feature for this headboard is that because it's such a low profile bed, that's another thing for you to take into consideration. It is very low to the ground. So if you want to make your bed look a little bit taller, you can actually have it set up where the headboard has this little lip right here, right? So I think advertised online, you'll see that this area right here is flat. So this top part of the headboard is flush with this wing here, but you do have the option to level it up just a little bit so it makes the bed look a little taller. Something else that's really cool about this bed is the metal frame that you see here. So it has this metal bar that goes across the middle here, which adds definitely some more support. And then you also have the addition of the wooden slats that go across the bed. Now to secure the wooden slats to the frame, they have these plastic pieces right here on the ends. So they have the ones here on the middle that connect the two slats there, and then on the ends they have the plastic ends that go into the wooden part of the frame here. Now stylistically, obviously this bed has a lot of curves to it, which definitely adds an element of elegance to it. And then right here is a really cool part where it has this kind of circular design right here, and then it continues off throughout the side of the entire bed. But altogether, I really like this bed. The assembly process did not take very long at all. It took me all of about maybe 45 minutes, maybe about an hour to put together. They do give you tools to use to assemble it, but I did use a drill. So if you aren't going to be using a drill or any other automatic tools, it could take you a little bit longer, but I definitely wouldn't let the assembly process deter you from taking a look at this bed because it is very elegant, it is very sleek, it's very modern. It's got the LED lights. Again, it's got the wood plus metal frame, which I think is a really good combination. And then of course it has the really nice leather upholstery to the bed overall. So overall, like I said, I highly recommend this bed. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.